we had the idea for Flammkraft one evening.
One evening in a lonesome hotel room. No. That's a little bit confusing, yeah.
maybe we can agree on the lobby.
Each of us were looking for a gas barbecue for our families, for our homes. We were looking and can't find the best device for us because they look the same, and we wanted high quality, high performance, and nice engineered stuff, and of course looking good and different, and there was nothing on the market. We made some first drawings, and I think it nearly looks the same like the first ideas we scribbled on papers in the first evening. And now a few years later, that's what comes now to the US. Using infrared not only for back burners but for the main grilling area has been done before.
The principle is quite close to grilling on charcoal. You have a line of charcoal in the back, another one line in the front, a very direct area right above where you have the convection heat and the infrared heat together, and a more relaxed, like indirect zone in the middle.
I remember when we first integrated the pizza stone, and we said, okay, it should be possible to make pizza with it, and then we tried it out and saw after minutes, okay, we created a pizza machine.
Because sometimes it's really the details that make our accessories work perfectly together with the burners. For example, the pizza stone, it's a main difference if you just have it on the level like the grates, so if you put it a few centimeters higher, it really makes it perfect, but if you put it a little bit lower, that won't work that good. We are always in the factory, always having an eye on it and building up maybe prototypes, new module, things like that. We always try not to go the way all the others go.
We don't do things different just to do things different. We only do things different if we think there is a better way. I think the most important part is just to focus on the main ideas. Yeah, the main ideas of high performance, of really high quality, of really easy to use, that should be in the focus.
We talk to each other every day for at least maybe 2 hours, I think. It's really, we're on in Germany you say, auf gleicher Wellenlänge. What is it?
The same wavelength. Would you say that?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
I would describe it as an innovative barbecue. We combine a perfect working device with an outstanding design. Due to the burner concept, working together with the pizza stone, for example, working together with the rotisserie, that really works out great.
It is always very easy to use. When, for example, you have guests, you just put it on the grates, close the lid, let it be, and after a few minutes you take it out and the food is perfect. So that's what I learned was really a little bit different than conventional burner systems and other brands provide, is the ease of use.
We have about 20% professional users, like chefs or catering companies, and we never had any problems with chefs understanding our grill. They just learn how to do it in seconds and they love it. So on the one hand side, you can work with our temperature zones. On the other hand side, when you don't have the time or you just want something easy, it's very easy to use. You just want something in the middle, close the lid, come back later a few minutes, turn it, and it's going to be good.
It's different, but we want it to be different.